Guardian Storage presents Simple Storage Hacks. Make a list of all the packing supplies you think you'll need, like bubble wrap, boxes, packing tape, foam peanuts, and tarps. Take a detailed inventory of your items while packing to help you remember the location of the items for easy access. Pack heavier items like books and tools in small boxes, and light items like pillows, towels, and bedding in larger boxes. Avoid overpacking boxes, as they will only be harder to lift and carry. Make an X with masking tape across the front of mirrors or flat glass surfaces to help keep them from breaking. Wrap mattresses in a mattress protector to fully preserve them. Use the empty drawers of large furniture as extra storage. Opt for higher quality storage boxes you know are clean, safe, and pest-free, especially for clothing, linens, and other home goods. Free used boxes can contain insects, bedbugs, even bacteria. When packing your unit, keep your most frequently used items together and near the entrance. Stack chairs on top of one another to maximize space. Place blankets between surfaces to avoid scratches. When stacking boxes, keep the heavier ones on the bottom. Leave a walkway through the center of your unit so you can easily move around and access items. Store large items like sofas, appliances, and mattresses along the back of your unit and position vertically when possible to maximize your space. For more packing and storage tips, call or stop by one of our locations to speak with an experienced Guardian Storage manager.